teacher and I welcome you all in my lecture. So children, as we have done so many numbers, okay, till 20 also we have done. So today we are going to do further numbers, okay. So that is children 21 till 25 we are going to do, okay. We are going to do numbers, okay. So today we are going to learn 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Then comes 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22. This is the series of 2 children, okay. Then what comes 22? 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. And then children 2, 5, 25. So today we are going to learn from 21 to 25. 5 numbers we have to do, okay. So this is a 2 series. So it's number 2 of series. So it's very simple. We are going to do. I know you know how to write the number 2 and how you write number till 5, 1 to 5. So today we are going to learn that only, okay. So let's start. So children, over here I have written number 21. It's 2 and 1 become 21. 2 and 2 becomes 22. 2 and 3 become children 23. 2 and 4 become 24. 2 and 5 become 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay children, so this is in a order 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, so if we go backward 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21. Okay, so today we are going to learn these 5 numbers. Okay, and in this children, can you see the 2 is common? Yes, because it's a 2 series. We are going to learn number 2 series. Okay, इसमें 2 common है. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So children, can you see this grapes? Why I have drawn 2 bunch of grapes? Because this is tens and this is 10. It becomes 2 tens. Yes, it becomes 2 tens. It's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So it's become 20. Okay. So children, if I have to draw 21, so I will take another bunch and then I will draw one more grapes. It becomes 20 and 21. Okay. So how we are going to write 21? Curve. You know how to write 2. Curve and slipping line. It becomes 2 and 1. 21. Okay. Curve and slipping line. And 1. 21. Okay. Now what comes after 21 children? 22. So I have drawn these 20 grapes. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ये 20 है. Okay, now 21 and 22. If I draw 2 grapes more, it becomes 2, 2, 22. 2, 2 becomes 22. Okay, children? Okay, now what comes after 22? 2, 3, 23. So this is 20. Already I have made 20. 21, 22. If I draw one more grapes, it's become 23. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा बच्चों? 2, 2 and what comes after 2? 3. 23. 2, 3, 23. Okay, now 24 children. Because it's after 23. After what comes? 24. So this is 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. How to write 24? Curve, slipping line, and 4 standing line, slipping line, and middle standing line. It becomes 24. Okay. So it's very simple. You have written 2 number and you have written 4 number also. So now children, now what comes after 24? 25. So this is 20 and 21, 22, 23, 24. One more grapes, it becomes 25. What it becomes, children? And how we write 25? 2 curve and slipping line, 2 and slipping line, standing line, curve, 25. Okay children, so this is the series of 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so again I will do a just quick revision how to write numbers. 2 curve and slipping line and 1 standing line, it becomes 21. Then what comes? Curve, slipping line, curve, slipping line, 21, 22, 2 to 22, 2 to 22, curve, slipping line, and 3 you have to write. Number 3, you know now how to write number 3. Like this you have to write. So it becomes 2, 3, 23. Okay, now 23, curve, slipping line, standing line, slipping line and standing line. So it becomes 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Okay, now curve, slipping line, standing line and curve. It becomes 5. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay children, so do writing practice of this, and I know you have done writing numbers also till 10. So this is the same number. Okay, जैसे हम 2 लिखते हैं, 1 लिखते हैं, वैसे ही ये numbers लिखना है. But you have to remember the order children. Okay, ये order याद रखना है. Okay, so bye, take care and do practice of writing numbers. Okay, bye.